another beautiful edition of women going bald. Watch and see, guys. Women are priceless. Women are beautiful. Watch and see how beautiful these women look after they went on a bald hair. Watch and see, guys.
I've seen people with the wig caps on and them doing the shaking their head test and the wig not moving at all. Now, I want to eventually be able to wear my wigs whilst I pole, because probably from my TikToks you know that I am a pole dancer. I've been doing it for 10 years, teaching for 6 years, and it's my passion. And so for a year now, I've been poling in just a headscarf. And now I'm wearing wigs and I'm getting more confident with it. I actually want to wear wigs whilst doing what I do. So I've seen people doing the hair flick test whilst wearing the wig cap and the wig does not move. Now, to be fair, this wig cap is ever so massive for me. It's not big, it is huge. So I don't know how I'm going to get on with that. But it just feels, when I do this with just the wig cap on, this is going to fall off. So how's it going to be with the wig? But I'm going to try it because I'm really intrigued and I'm really just want to see how it goes. Because at the moment, if I do pole with the wig on, as soon as I start spinning or invert, it goes whee off at any sort of pace. So I'm going to put the wigs on that fit me the best and see if I can do the hair flick test. So this is my Chloe in cream blonde. Here we are. And she is on. There. She is how I would wear her if I was going out. She feels as comfy as she's going to. No wig ever feels comfy. So let's have a little go. Let's let's try this, shall we? 2 flicks. How are people doing it? How? And look, this is moved as well. And it's not like I can make it any tighter because look how tight it is. It's only got that little bit. I suppose I could make it a little bit tighter, but how are you doing it? What am I doing wrong? Is it because I've got a bald head and people that do this actually have hair? Because if I do it tight, that's just going to give me a headache. If I have the wig cap on for more than 10 minutes, that is going to give me a massive headache. What? Okay, so I've seen people with the wig caps on and them doing the shaking their head test and the wig not moving at all. Now, I want to eventually be able to wear my wigs whilst I pole, because probably from my TikToks you know that I am a pole dancer. I've been doing it for 10 years, teaching for 6 years, and it's my passion. And so for a year now, I've been poling in just a headscarf. And now I'm wearing wigs and I'm getting more confident with it. I actually want to wear wigs whilst doing what I do. So I've seen people doing the hair flick test whilst wearing the wig cap and the wig does not move.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
My mum just has a habit of digging into my head.
You look fantastic.
The half and half looks pretty
Am I half and half right
Nearly.
now? That is crazy.
That's how I was shaving yesterday. I just shaved half and half.
Huh?
When
What,
I
just
shaved.
cut off half and half straight
Yeah,
down
pretty
the middle?
much.
That'd be insane to be fair.
Hey y'all, so we all know that this is September, which is Alopecia Awareness Month. So how this is going to work is there are so many reasons why your hair may be falling out. It could be alopecia, it could be cancer, it could be because you've had COVID, weight loss, autoimmune disorders, hormone deficiencies. So I saw other people on TikTok with shaved heads, and I took the plunge and shaved my head. So that is what we're doing. This is why we're doing it, to help support anybody who wants to do this. If you just want to shave your head, for, you know, some people just go and say, hey, I'm going to shave my head with you for support, but you don't have to, okay? I shaved my head because I had bald spots, thinning, my hair falling out, a whole bunch of reasons. And because I saw other videos, other people doing this, I wanted to shave my head as well. So I've got my towel here across my kitchen, my bathroom sink. And yes, my hair is already short, but it's growing out. So I am going to shave my head. And if you are struggling with hair loss, hair thinning, bald spots, hair not wanting to grow, and you've just been afraid to take that plunge, go for it. Do it. Wigs are so fun. And you don't have to have any reason at all to wear a wig. Okay, but we'll talk about that later. For now, we're going to shave our heads for Alopecia Awareness Month, okay? I didn't have much to cut it because it was already pretty short, but we want to go ahead and keep it trimmed up, okay? And this is all I'm doing, just getting it cleaned back up. So if you have been putting it off, have been thinking about shaving your head, are you just tired of hair loss, hair thinning, bald spots, whatever you don't have to have a reason at all. I encourage you to just take the plunge because we are beautiful, even bald. Okay? We are beautiful no matter what. So, all right. Y'all have a great Sunday, and I'll see you later.
Growing back. Is it growing? Is that?
shampoo because clearly I don't need it. This next one's quite a personal one, but other people might relate. So when I go out, expect me to be a little bit self-conscious still. So whether that's me going out in a wig or me going out balls, just expect me to be a little bit self-conscious, and I might need that extra support. And the last one, please expect us to get ready with at least 3 hours to spare. Like, we need all the time in the world because, honey, we've got to transform. We've got to transform into a whole different person. So if you are looking for a baldy, I am your girl. Any hair loss girlies, let me know if you agree.